What's up, you slob ass bitches? It's time to pay your dues, niggas. Holy shit! There go TC now. Come on, get that nigga, He running. He on foot.
Material witness on an activated battery with a handgun, and they believe might be in retaliation to her testimony.
I'll be out no time. I'll be out no time.
Get down the ground, now! Drop your weapon!
Go out to breakfast, come back.
Man, ain't this about fucked up? I gotta do 10 years in prison for life for this shit. And my baby mama, I ain't gonna get to see my kid grow. I love my baby mama. That's all I gotta say though.
How long you gonna be here?
But she got me into this shit, but you know what? Pay my baby mama a visit.
5 o'clock, come back in. No lullabies and Alcatraz, folks.
TC, I'm getting money out the box. I'ma touch you motherfucking nigga when I stop. Niggas be hating on me, you won't need to stop. Stop it with this music shit. My heart is so in it. I'm gonna finish what I got started. So y'all my enemies, so y'all can fucking kill it, hating shit. And I'ma tell you like, all you doing is sucking my dick. You want my dry screen, you dumb and stupid ass nigga, you stupid ass bitch. Fuck that nigga figure. I give y'all motherfucker a middle finger. I bet it's mad. I said you think I'm up on my grind like every day. On that paper chase, every time and day. Nigga, this ain't the time to place the hate. You can see it in my face, I'm getting that cake. I'm getting that cake. This know I'm getting that cake.